Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back for yet another video. I will be making tender coconut pudding today. I'm super excited to make this recipe. It's beautiful and refreshing. I can't wait, so let's get started. I'm going to take 2 cups of tender coconut water in a pot. Now you can use coconut water from tender coconut or young coconut, however you want to say it. Or you can also use pre-packed coconut water. However, make sure it's pure coconut water with no sugar or flavor added to it. To this, I will add 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, now the amount of sugar you add will depend on how sweet your coconut water is. So add less sugar, give it a taste and see if you need more. I'll add a little bit of salt. This salt enhances the flavor of the other ingredients. Now I will add 1.5 teaspoon of agar powder. Here's one tip. Always use agar powder when the liquid is cold, or it will clump together and then you have to worry about getting rid of the clumps. Let's put it on the stove and let it come to a boil. Keep stirring frequently because if you don't, the agar will settle at the bottom and will gel at the bottom. You need to bring it to a full boil and add chopped coconut to it. When you bring it to a full boil, you know the agar is completely dissolved. After about 5 to 7 minutes of stirring on a medium heat, take it off the stove. I have greased this mold with a little oil to which I will transfer all the coconut jelly and allow it to cool down completely. I will now put it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. It's time to unmold the jelly. Place the plate on top of the mold and flip it over gently. So here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.